In this video, I'm going to show you how to add gradient in Photopea. To begin, open your project in Photopea and place the image or object where you want to apply the gradient. If the object is part of a background image, first isolate it properly. You can do this by using the Magic Wand tool from the left-hand side toolbar. Once selected, hide or delete the background so that only the main object remains visible on your canvas. After isolating the object, make sure its layer is selected in the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. Now, click on the mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, which looks like a small camera-shaped button. This will add a layer mask, and you will notice a white thumbnail appear next to your image layer. This mask allows you to control transparency and effects smoothly. Next, you need to add a clean background behind your object. With the image layer still selected, click on the half-filled circle icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, which represents adjustment layers. From the menu, select Color Fill, choose a background color such as white, and click OK. Once the background layer is created, drag it below your object layer so the image stays on top. Now you are ready to add the gradient. Zoom out slightly so you can clearly see the canvas area. You can do this by holding the Alt key on your keyboard and scrolling backward with your mouse wheel, or by using the Zoom tool manually. Select the Gradient tool from the left toolbar, or press the shortcut key G. At the top of your screen, click the Gradient drop-down arrow and select the Foreground Transparent Gradient preset. Make sure the white mask thumbnail of your object layer is selected, not the image itself. Click outside the canvas and drag your cursor inward, then release it to apply a soft gradient effect. Repeat this process until you achieve the level of gradient you prefer. Always start dragging from outside the canvas to avoid applying too much gradient at once. Continue adjusting until the result looks clean and balanced, and this is how you can add gradient in Photopea.